On the streets of Sri Ram Nagari, Ayodhya, where I am right now, this is the road that leads to that Divya Bhavya Navya Ram temple at Ayodhya. There is a lot of VVIP movement. You hear all the sirens going off because one after the other, okay, that's the escort car, perhaps for the Chief Minister, who will arrive in just a short while from now. The Director General of Police, the other VVIPs, they've already started arriving. That is right, that does appear to be the Chief Minister's cavalcade that is coming. That's the District Magistrate's vehicle. There are other vehicles that are coming in. So in a while from now, we'll have much more on the VVIP movement. So this is the road that leads to Ram Temple. We're standing at Hanuman Gadhi. But the festivities, the sights and sounds on the streets of Ayodhya right now. You see thousands and thousands of devotees who are walking. These devotees are walking towards the temple. They cannot reach the temple today. They can go up to Hanuman Gadhi, pray there, pray at other temples. But the Sri Ram temple is for the Dhwajarohan ceremony entirely today. That's point one. Point two, just hear the chants of Jai Shri Ram and Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai. Listen to the bhajans. Shri Ram Janaki Baithe Hai Mere Seene Mein. It's being played, it's being sung all along here. And plus you have the Swasti mantras that are going on almost non-stop. As you look at these images of VVIPs coming in, that's the Chief Minister's cavalcade that's passing by, and absolutely on time, 4 minutes past 9 was the time for the Chief Minister to move. So it's working with clockwork precision. Each and every movement that is taking place right now is timed to the last second for the number of people who are coming in. 6 in the morning onwards, people started, whether it's devotees or the common people. What's very significant, usually you would talk about VVIPs coming for the temple ceremony. Just now, it's not the VVIPs, it is the common man. That is who's been invited here. The Dalit, the Vanchit, the Pichra Varg, from 350 villages around Ayodhya. So that is how, when I was speaking to officials of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, as you look at this convoy of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath that's just crossed by, 350 villages around Ayodhya. They've gone to those who may have been considered as deprived sections of the society. The scheduled caste, the scheduled tribe, the other backward classes, the Ati Pichra, the EBCs, they have been called. They will be there with the Prime Minister. They will watch the Dhwajarohan ceremony. Lord Ram had taken everyone along with him in that journey. And in that journey, he needed the help of Nishad Raj to cross Ma Ganga at Prayagraj. So the Nishad Samudaya, they are here in large numbers. All of that will be here in a very big way. They will be here, 350 villages, at least 30 to 40 members from every village. That would mean there are about 6,000 to 8,000 people who will be in the audience, in and around the audience there when the Prime Minister gets there.